Hey everyone, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this Siga brush. We're gonna have so many different little brushes all over the house, and we figured, hey, why not try a bunch of different brands? So actually, it's great. Like, I'm in the workshop now. If you can hear all the background stuff, they're doing some welding over there. But I'm going to show you guys this one here. This is the Siga handheld mini dustpan. So this one here is kind of cool. It has the little thing. It'll hang up and it'll hold the dustpan on it, and then you can kind of snap it off. And it's got the silicone sharp edge, so you can swipe things in there. The bristles are nice and pretty stiff, so you can get some heavy duty stuff. I had another one that I had looked at earlier that was had softer bristles, which would be good for super fine dust stuff, but this one here would be good for a little bit thicker stuff as well. And then when you're done, you dump it out, flip it on, and hang it up somewhere, and you are good to go. So this is super cool. Like this one here, it's the Siga. Here's some more little detail about it if you need it. I mean, you don't really need instructions on how to use a dustpan for them, but this is it. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.